For our safety, it is best that I speak to you like this. Cause I don't know if you know, the #1 thing in the world right now is body odor. And you stink. Bro, we in 2022. And you still smell like 1922. Once a month, I sit down, we have a man-to-man discussion about your hygiene. And yet, look at you, smelling your armpits. That is disgusting. Yes, bitch, you smell gross. But hey, your boy don't judge, you know what I mean? I'm here to give you life. Like your dad and your mom did, but I'm in the spectrum where it's to give you life by you not smelling like grass, minus the GR. You hear me? Did you know that 1 in 5 men do not receive hugs from their crushes because they smell like grass without the G and R? But did you also know 10 in 10 men have fun with buns? Thanks to Manscaped Ultra Premium Collection Kit? That is 1000% a true statistic. Manscaped has our best interest. They just recently came out with the Ultra Premium Collection Kit. Do you know the price of gas these days? Are you willing to travel and not get a hug because you smell like under a rug? I really should be a rapper. Look at all of this. This could be yours. You can have hydrating body spray, a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, some deodorant, body wash, and a 3-pack of lip balm. And the best thing about this whole entire Ultra Premium Collection Kit, yup, I'm saving you money and I'm giving you codes to success. That is the international sign language of tapping in. So tap in with Manscaped, use promo code Zosh at checkout, click the first link down in the description box below. I am here to help all my bros secure those hugs and not smell like grass without the GR. And as always, thank you to Manscaped for sponsoring today's video. Yo, yo, yo! Hasta la fuego, putos! What's up? What's crack-a-lackin', pimp? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are going to be installing my brand new Progress 24mm rear sway bar on my white girl right here. Oh Lord. If this is your first time watching the Zosh video, I apologize for the intro. You probably think I'm some obnoxious little twit. That's true, but what's your boy? You know what I mean? Y'all the homies. Please invest in a Quick Jack, bro. If I had a discount code, I would. It just makes life so much easier. Oh, there goes my sway bar. Look at all that clearance, son. Oh man, we're gonna have the time of our life, and I never felt this way before, and I swear this is true. Now listen. And I owe it all to you. Also, you don't have to remove your rear bumper. Mine's at a paint place right now, while the homie's house getting worked on. So yeah, you don't have to remove your rear bumper. But here is our sway bar. It's still in the box. Gotta unbox it. We're gonna basically be removing the factory sway bar, which is... Where the hell is my factory sway bar? This is the factory sway bar. I believe this is a 17mm sway bar, and I went from a 17 now to a 24. Well, I'm going from a 17 to a 24. So yeah, we got some work to do, and I do have enough room to drill for my plates. Nice. And of course, I know what you're thinking.
Zosh, why are you adding this stuff to your car and you have yet to track the Civic? What the hell are you doing? Why are you just blowing money?
One, I'm a YouTuber, so I have to blow money and create content. Second, bitch, upgrading your stock sway bar to a stiffer sway bar is actually really good to have before your first track day, in my opinion, because at least you'll have more control of the car. The car would actually do what you're trying to tell it to do. You know, like you'll have a little bit more confidence in the car with a better sway bar. So to each your own. Yeah, you want to get seat time with the stock car before you do mods, but
Why are you making that noise?
I'm swole, babe.
Yeah. That ass is swole.
Hansie, give him a camera. Why you be doing that? Give him a camera. Stop playing. Stop playing. All right, so here we have everything. Oh, did it include Loctite? I think that's Loctite, but yeah, here we have everything we need. For some reason, down the road, I feel like I'm going to be replacing these end links with hard race end links. But for now, this should be good for now. I mean, no need to waste money when I just wasted $300 on this damn kit. So, literally, no point. Let's start with the process of removing everything we need to remove and getting the old bar off and putting on our new bar. So removing our factory sway bar, you have a bunch of 14mm bolts. You have one there, you have one there for the brackets itself. So it's just a bunch of 14mm. So you have two up top right there. You have one here to remove it from the chassis or the trailing arm. Speaking of trailing arm, that bushing back there looks a bit clapped. But anywho, 1, 2, 3, remove. 1, 2, 3, remove, and this thing should come off. Look at the difference in beefiness, boy. Sheesh. So this would be stiffest setting, this would be medium, and this would be the softest setting. Or maybe this is softest. All I know is we're going in a medium. The medium. Yeah, we're going in a medium. The medium. Okay, so use your OEM hardware to attach the D bracket to the chassis. And then from here, you just attach your end links. Now, this does not look right to me. So I think I installed this entire thing wrong. I think this bracket goes behind this plate. Something just does not look right to me, dog. I don't know what it is, but something does not look right, and I can't grasp my mind behind it. So I figured out how this goes on. Basically, it goes something like this. Well, you mount it on the inside, so you mount this piece on the inside like this. I don't know why I couldn't get this for the life of me for some reason, but it goes like this, and you got to drill another hole so you can secure it with 2 bolts right there. Instead of having 1, 2, you'll have a total of 2 secured bolts and then 1 for the end link. So that's what we got to do. I knew we had to drill. I'm like, why is this so easy? So disregard the stuff that I did right there. That's completely wrong. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. But yeah, this is how it goes. So, all right, look how much better that is. See, that looks about right. That looks about right. Now let's go ahead and finish this side. Well, let's go ahead and tighten up all the bolts there. Do that side over there. Hold on. Do that side, and we should be good. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a job well done. What's up, lady? I hope this works. I know I got a Loctite something, but right now it's 7:30. I gotta head to the gym with the homie Rand Lizzle. So I'm probably come back tonight and Loctite some stuff, because I'm pretty sure you're supposed to Loctite something. I don't know which one exactly I'm supposed to Loctite, but I know I'm supposed to Loctite something. So I'll read the instructions over, but this is it, bro. It's really simple install. Like, it's super simple. You just have to drill another hole for the top mount of that bolt bracket, the reinforcement bracket, so you don't twist this subframe, not subframe, but the chassis support for the sway bar, because when you throw a stiff ass sway bar like a 24 mil compared to stock, you run the chance of twisting this completely off because it's stiff as hell and you turning and all that stuff. So the reinforcement bracket, in order to utilize the whole bracket, you have to drill another hole using 1132 drill bit, but I didn't have 1132 drill bit. I had a Christmas bit with 1132 on it, so I just Christmas drill bit till I got to the right measurement, and yeah, we're good. Solid. I went ahead and Loctited that end link, well, I'm pretty sure you don't have to tighten that. Well, I did anyway, fuck it. So these two end links are tightened, Loctited. I Loctited that end link, everything is secure and tightened and fastened. We're good to go, baby. We're good to go. So yeah, it's just that simple, fam. If you want to do a sway bar on your 8th gen Civic, there you have it. I hope you followed this video and figured out where my mistake was. Make sure you put that bracket behind the control arm. If you're looking this way towards the rear of the car, that little goldy looking bracket goes on the back, well, I guess technically the front. And then, yeah, I mean, you just gotta follow the video, baby. I hope this helps some people out there. If you're thinking about getting into autocross or road course or time attack racing, a rear sway bar helps a lot. But that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My camera died. I'm lying. My lips were like mad. Actually, in the last couple of clips, I just decided to refilm it on my phone so I can just upload it. Whatever, bruh. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like on the video if you found this video helpful or entertaining or whatever the case may be. Helps grow the channel, helps all that. Boo, smack. New hoodies are out. Zosh MFG Race Team Shirt 2022, all that's out. Head over to the merch store, pick up something if you enjoy eating wings. And that'll be it for the video. Hope you guys. Peace.